now. Number 3 is ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 3D printer. When it comes to the best 3D printer under $300, prepare to be blown away by the ANYCUBIC Kobra 2. This little gem is a speed demon, racing through your prints like a turbocharged cheetah on a mission. Say goodbye to endless waiting and hello to time-saving magic. With printing speeds reaching up to a mind-boggling 250 millimeters per second, you'll be amazed at how much time you'll save, up to a whopping 70%. But speed isn't the only trick up the Kobra 2's sleeve. Its brand new LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system ensures precise and hassle-free leveling, giving you a flawless printing experience every time. And let's remember the dual-geared extrusion structure, delivering filament with laser-like precision. Not only is this printer fast, but it's also stable and reliable. The double Z-axis threaded rod keeps things steady, providing excellent printing results at lightning speed. And the best part? You can assemble this beauty in just 10 minutes. With only 5 pieces to put together, it's like solving a satisfying puzzle. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.